In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email all collaborators on a file in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to notify everyone working on a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, Google Drive has a built-in way to send a single message to all current collaborators. Here's how to do it, start to finish. First, log in to Google Drive. Open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and sign in with the account that owns or has access to the file. Make sure you're in the right account if you use multiple, since the email option will only appear for files you can share. Next, navigate to the file you want to edit and notify people about. This can be any Drive file, including docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, or other items stored in your Drive. Locate it in My Drive or the shared folder where it lives. Now right-click the file to open the context menu. From that menu, go to Share, then click Share. This opens the sharing window for that specific item. In the sharing window, you'll see the list of people with access. This section shows everyone who already has permission to view, comment, or edit the file. Beside the People with Access heading, look for a small envelope icon. That icon is the shortcut for emailing collaborators. Click the envelope icon. Google Drive will automatically pull the email addresses of everyone listed under People with Access and add them as recipients. You don't need to copy or paste anything, it's all pre-filled for you. Type your message in the box. Keep it concise and clear. Explain what changed, what you need from the team, and any relevant deadlines. Avoid including sensitive information. This message goes to everyone with access to the file. If you want to reduce inbox noise, you can keep the subject line focused and the body short, and consider pointing to a specific section or page if that helps. When you're satisfied, click Send. Drive will deliver a single email to all collaborators, helping you coordinate updates and requests without tracking down addresses one by one. Quick tip, if you don't see the envelope icon, confirm that you're viewing a file you can share and that there are collaborators listed under People with Access. The icon appears only when there are people to email. That's it. You've just used Google Drive's built-in email tool to reach every collaborator on a file in a few clicks.